What if every time you filled your tank, you were secretly sliding dollars into a slow-motion engine murder? Most drivers think gas is just gas, same pump, different logo. That's wrong, and by the end of this video, you'll know which pumps protect your engine and which ones quietly destroy it, plus how to save real money, not just pennies. I tested this against real shop repairs, lab numbers, and decades of ruined injectors. Stay with me. I'll show you 11 brands that actually protect your engine, and 5 that will cost you thousands. Ready? Let's go. Imagine two identical cars, same year, same miles, same driver habits. One owner spends an extra $1.50 every fill-up on better fuel. The other buys the cheapest stuff he can find. Fast forward 80,000 miles, one car hums like it's new. The other coughs, misfires, and needs walnut blasting to clear carbon the size of gravel. Which would you rather be driving? Number 11, Chevron. This one isn't flashy, it's chemistry. Chevron's Techron isn't marketing, it's a detergent package that attacks carbon at the molecular level. Carbon deposits are the silent killer. They clog injectors, choke spray patterns, and make your engine run lean or rich in all the wrong places. Independent tests show Techron can cut intake valve deposits almost in half versus minimum detergents. That small difference? It's the line between a comfortable 100K mile engine and a 60K mile nightmare. Cost difference? Cents per gallon. Repair cost? Hundreds. The math writes itself. Number 10, Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. Direct injection engines are a modern trap. Fuel no longer washes the intake valves, so carbon builds up 60% faster than on older engines. Shell's Nitro Plus uses nitrogen-enhanced detergents that form a protective film on metal surfaces. Prevention, not just cleanup. I've seen two near-identical GTIs, one owned by a Shell loyalist, the other by a bargain hunter. Intake manifolds told the story. One light deposits, one like burnt charcoal. Prevention beats 3 hours of walnut blasting every time. Number 9, ExxonMobil. Consistency matters more than hype. ExxonMobil meets top tier across all octanes, so whether you pump 87 or 93, the additives aim to protect your fuel system the same way. Your engine doesn't care about brand loyalty, it cares about deposit control. A predictable additive package across grades equals fewer surprises at the mechanic. Number 8, 76. ProClean in every grade, not an upsell, just protection. Their formula packs detergents well above EPA minimums and even surpasses top-tier requirements in practice. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it option that actually keeps your combustion chamber and injectors clean over time, this is the kind of chemistry that does it. Number 7, Arco. Cheap but not sloppy, and that surprises people. Arco earned top tier while keeping prices 10 to 20 cents lower by cutting credit card fees, not detergent packages. The result? Strong additive chemistry without the brand premium. The caveat is logistical. Many Arco sites prefer debit or cash. If that's not a problem, this is one of the best value plays in the gas game. Number 6, Citgo. Pronounced Citgo in the field. Citgo's detergents mirror what larger names use, polyether adenines that keep injectors and valves cleaner longer. Pricing often runs a touch below major brands, and turnover is usually good at high-traffic stations. If it's available in your area, it's worth a shot. Number 5, Valero. No Super Bowl ads, just chemistry. Valero meets top tier and focuses spend on additive quality rather than flashy campaigns. For many drivers, that equals long-term reliability without paying luxury prices. Number 4, Sunoco. This one's a regional wildcard. When Sunoco stations carry top-tier certification, they're excellent. When they don't, they're a gamble. The simple rule, look for the top-tier badge at the pump. If it's there, you're getting protective detergents. If not, walk away. Number 3, BP, Invigorate. BP's Invigorate is built to both clean and protect. It doesn't just stop new deposits, it actively removes old ones. That dual-action chemistry matters if you've been filling at sketchy stations for years and want to reverse the damage. Expect mid to upper pricing, but measurable benefit. Number 2, Phillips 66. They run a conservative, reliable additive setup similar to 76. No drama, no frills, just consistent protection. Where Phillips exists, it's a pragmatic choice. Fair price, dependable chemistry. Number 1. Costco, Kirkland. Biggest secret in plain sight. Costco sells more gasoline than many oil companies, and it's top tier. High turnover plus solid detergents means fresh, protective fuel at 15 to 30 cents less than many competitors. People line up for a reason. You get the same deposit control as premium brands without the premium price. The only real downside is the line at the pump. Totally worth the savings if you ask me. Now the pumps to avoid, brutal but true. Worst category, generic discount brands. These are the predators. They meet EPA minimums, a shockingly low bar, and often skip proper detergent dosing. Save 20 cents a gallon now, pay $700 and 4 hours of labor later, when walnut blasting becomes your reality. False economy is still expense. Next, Circle K. Their supply chain rotates between suppliers, and additives change with contracts. One location might be fine, another across the state is poison. Zero consistency means zero trust. Independent local stations, mixed bag. Some are honest and top tier, many shortcut additives to survive razor-thin margins. Without insider knowledge, you're gambling. Murphy USA and similar discount chains price first business models that often skip top-tier additives. Short-term savings, long-term premiums in repair bills. Shell Regular. If your station doesn't sell V-Power Nitro Plus, regular Shell can be unpredictable. Premium brand name doesn't guarantee premium chemistry in every tank. If you pump Shell, spring for Nitro Plus or find a top-tier alternative. So what do you do next? 3 rules that protect your engine and your wallet. Prefer top-tier certified fuel when you can. That logo matters more than the billboard. If a brand offers a specific premium blend, V-Power, Techron, or Invigorate, use it for modern direct injection engines at least some of the time. Prevention beats repair. Buy from stations with high turnover and good maintenance. Fresher fuel, fewer contaminants. Costco is a great example here. Mid-video, quick favor. If you've ever had a fuel system repair, drop the make, model, and what you were pumping in the comments. I read every one, and the patterns are eye-opening. Also hit subscribe. I drop these deep mechanic-backed guides weekly. Final truth, the base fuel often comes from the same pipeline. What matters is the additive package mixed at the terminal. That invisible chemistry determines whether your engine ages gracefully or gets eaten alive. Spend a few cents more on protection now and avoid hundreds or thousands later. Up next, I'll show the 5 simple refueling mistakes that cause the majority of avoidable engine damage and how to fix them in 90 seconds at the pump. Don't miss it.